First of all, happy birthday to Häfele, happy 100th birthday. Thank you so much for hosting this event. We really learned a lot. The food is good, the event is good, everything is good.
Interesting event, food is great, great speech as well. Thanks for inviting us.
Thank you SIXiDES and Häfele for organizing this event.
Hey everyone, I'm Stan, I'm Managing Director for Häfele Singapore. Thanks so much everyone for coming down today for these amazing events and for starting to celebrate with us this 100 years anniversary. We also would like to thank all the partners that helped us to build and design this amazing kitchen showcase in our show. Thank you so much guys.